Hi, welcome back. Myself Krish Singh, and I am a GG leader Agra, India, and I am a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So, in the sequence of the Google Sheets, which we have been discussing for some couple of days, and created many videos, and hope you understood the concept which I was explaining. In the same sequence and in continuation, I'm going to discuss another function of Google Sheets, that is the group by. So in the last video, I discussed the order by. The function of order by is to arrange the data of the Google Sheet or the sheet into in ascending or descending order. And I also applied count function to count the data of a kind. And this time I'm going to discuss you know group by. So to group by, let's move to our Google Sheet, then I'll explain. So here this is a sheet, and in on this sheet you find the data of these students. So while applying group by, one thing should be noticed here, that group by works on the group data only, means the data of a kind. Data is of a category, means couple of rows of the same category. So we'll have to find out uh, the column name which can in which the records can be grouped. So out of these columns like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you will have to find out the column which can be treated as the group column. So if you look on A column, this is not the group column. If you consider B column, this or name, this is not the group column. Similarly, C, D are not the group column, but house, that is E column, is the group column. Means this column can be treated as a group by column. Similarly, category, stream, and caste, stream, houses, category can be treated as the group by columns. So this is very easy for me to apply group by on these columns, and I want to know how many students are from different streams. How many streams are there? There are, I think, four streams. So I want to find out how many students are from different streams, and how many students are from different houses, and how many students are from different social categories. So for that, I am going to apply the group by function. So how to apply group by function? Let's see. So I'm going to apply, I'll select the entire sheet, and on that entire sheet, I'll apply group by function. So to apply any function in the Google Sheet, first you have to type equal sign. So equal sign is there. Then after equal sign, you will have to write what? The function name. That is the query, because we have been discussing query. And as soon as you press parenthesis, it asks for the data. And what is data? My data source is the Google Sheet. So I'll have to select from here to uh, J column. Until J column, I'm selecting. Okay. So this data I have selected, and after comma, it expects a query, that is SQL query. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to count the students of different streams. Okay. So streams column is FG. G is a stream column. So first type the query. It should be in the quotes, double quotes. Select the header is your G. Then I want to count, so I'll apply count function here of G column, and group by, this is our class, group by on what column? Obviously on G column. So on G column, I'm applying the group by. I want to count the students of different streams and put comma here. Then it asks for the header. How many rows are in the header? So I have only one row in header. So one, and close parenthesis and press the enter key. So here see the stream. What is the result? The result is here. So PCB IP students are 8, PCMCS students are 31, PCMB students, there is single student, that is 1. So you don't have to count 1, 2, 3 and go to different cells and count. Not required. You will have to apply group by. So this is the beauty of group by function. Take another example. Suppose I'm going to count how many students are from general category or OBC category. So for that, I'm going to apply the same function. Okay. So come to this place and copy the function, and suppose in this cell I'm going to apply what I have to find out which column is the social category column. So J column is the social category column. So I'm taking J column here, control V, and I'll change the column name. So this is J, again J, and J, and the header is 1, and press enter. So here this is the scene. So 20 students are from general category, 17 students are from OBC category, and 3 students are from SC category. So see how beautiful group by is. Let's see one more example on the same. Now I'm going to count how many students are from different houses. So house is a group by column, stream was a group by column, and caste is also a group by column. So this time I am going to apply group by on house, and house column name is E. So I am taking it here, control V, and my column name is E, E, and E, and simply press enter. Get the result. Ashoka House 9, Nehru House 10, Raman 9, Tagore 12. See, observe how fantastic group by is. So this way we can apply group by function, group by clause on Google Sheets. Hope you like it. And if you like, kindly share with your friends so that they also know the beauty of the group by function. So we have been discussing Google Sheets. So in our next video, we would like to apply these group by functions more. There are some more functions on group by, like those functions are known as aggregate functions. Function 1 is sum, function 2 is average, function 3 is minimum, function 4 is maximum, and function 5 is your count. So these functions work on group by very well. So this is all for the day. And if you like this, and then kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have not subscribed, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.